terrific, right? I'm in heaven.
Butterfly drone. I don't want to wear pants. I'm too fat right now. Baby, do it how I showed you. Take your time. There you go. We haven't eaten enough, and now we're having liquid. What is it, Ariel?
It's basically liquid fudge in a cup.
Liquid fudge in a cup.
God, it's like
Look at my belly.
I could drink 3 times this. I need like a barrel.
Can you repeat after me? Insulin resistance. I love blueberry Yogan So anyways, we're on the DJI 03 Discus again. We had our first pack. It was wonderful. And then I don't know why it wasn't working, but then we came to this spot. Just sweet, like it's a really sweet spot. So I did the second pack.